Welcome back! Today I'm going to make a tasty and creamy shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Let's get started.
In a saucepan, bring water to a boil. Into that, add some salt and some oil. Add the pasta to the water. I'm using fettuccine pasta. Stir a few times to prevent the noodles from sticking together. Stirring occasionally, cook until it reaches your desired level of doneness. Reserve a cup of the pasta water and drain the rest. In a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1/2 cup of butter over medium heat. Into that, add chopped onion and garlic. Fry them for a minute. Add chopped celery, a pinch of nutmeg. Reserve pasta water, half and half. Ground black pepper, thinly sliced broccoli, salt to taste, cream cheese. After 2 minutes, add the shrimp. I'm using 2 pounds of huge shrimps, 20 to 21 per pound, cleaned and deveined. Cook for 5 minutes until the shrimp cooks. Add pasta and mix it well. Add any kind of cheese. I'm using fresh provolone cheese. Add it according how creamy you want it to become.
See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.